support the way you process the impressive sensations that nature can provide. And when you are ready, you can simply rest in the clear experience of being in nature in such an enjoyable way, so that your unconscious can use your natural curiosity to acquire learnings that will be particularly useful for you in your life as it is now. And I'll be silent for a while so you can peacefully absorb the sensations of such a beautiful place, until you find a playfulness entering your eyelids so that they flutter open all by themselves as a sign that your unconscious mind has acquired the understandings. There will be a special use for you today, this week, and in the coming hours of the months ahead. So go ahead and do that now. And find the surprise of playful eyelids opening only when your unconscious mind is ready.